Ladies, imagine you are on this beautiful, luxurious beach. You have your partner with you. You are looking absolutely dazzling, beautiful. You feel confident. You feel exuberant. You feel excited. You feel sexy. You feel and are in alignment with the goddess that you are. You know that you can have anything that you desire. You know that even when adversity and challenges show up in your life, this is an opportunity for you to exercise your gifts, use your power. You know that you are a nurturer, a healer, and you're just divinely connected and in tune with your higher divine self. And you are in the flow, you're in synchronicity, and things just happen to magically and miraculously happen on your behalf. Now, if you could imagine that and really feel that, the first thing I want to let you know is that you can have that, you can be that. The second thing that I want you to know is that this is the power of having a womb that is activated. When your womb is activated, ladies, this grants you access to magic, miracles, mysticism, and just overall marvelous life experiences. A womb that is activated is one that can really visualize, imagine, and conceive of these high vibrational ideas, these spiritual downloads, and just this deep intuitive insight as to what it is you are meant to do, who it is you are meant to be, what it is you're meant to birth into this reality. So that activated womb can conceive of that image of you being in your greatness, of you being in your power. And then it can draw it into itself. It can hold on to that vision. You can allow that vision. It becomes pregnant. An activated womb becomes pregnant with divine vision, becomes pregnant with purpose, with passion, with power, with prosperity, becomes pregnant with everlasting growth, love, nurturing, and possibilities. It becomes pregnant with whatever your heart desires. And then that activated womb nourishes that idea, that seed, and allows it to go through its gestation process. See, a woman with an activated womb is not afraid of going for what she wants. A woman with an activated womb is going to take action towards those goals, going to take intuitively led action, spirit-led action. A woman with an activated womb is going to know deep within her heart that the work that she's doing today, the work that she's done in the past, and all the powerful work she will do in the future is a part of her divine assignment, and that she has everything that she needs in order to manifest that and create that. As the gestation process happens, a woman who is activated and aligned with a higher self, she allows herself to be stretched. She allows herself to be pushed and pulled because she understands that it requires growth. When you're pregnant with something, especially something in the spirit, it requires you to lower or lessen your human, what you're used to, and allow yourself to expand and grow in greater alignment with where spirit is asking you to go. A woman with an activated womb knows how to surrender and birth. And at the same time, she knows how to stand like mountain, but flow like water, meaning she's firm and strong, and she knows and she trusts her ability to bring forth this creation, but she always trusts the divine flow and that everything will happen in alignment. She understands how to ride the waves of life's experience and always take away the blessing and the lesson and the gift that she is receiving from that. And then when that baby is birthed, when that seed has been realized, you've been changed, and you are experiencing that child, you're experiencing that seed, you're experiencing that gift. You nurture it, you love it, and you hold it with such love and such gratitude and appreciation, and you honor it, and you understand that this manifestation, this experience is greater than you. It's actually what it is that you will give back in the most loving, prosperous, healing, transformational way. So, ladies, it's important that you have a womb that is activated because this is your birthright as a woman. It is your birthright to be activated. It is your birthright to be able to create, birth, nourish, nurture, love, and protect. That is your nature. That is natural to you. Many women have just been conditioned and traumatized out of that. And so, this Saturday, August 5th, I will be hosting a live womb alchemy free workshop. This one is all about your womb and your relationships, your relationship with yourself, your relationship with your partner, your relationship with families, your relationship with the world, and how it is impacting your womb. And so if you want to tap into your activation, if you want to tap into your power, if you want to tap into your transformation, if you want to tap into your purpose on the workshop, come get this good activated womb, love, and wisdom, and I'll see y'all then.